Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to create a trackbar, and in this video we are gonna learn about how to get the value of a trackbar. It is getTrackbarPos function, and we can directly pass to the code part and understand more clearly here. In here we are already creating a window and we are creating a trackbar on this window by specifying the window name. And after this we have an imshow event, and let's see specifically, and here we have a trackbar and our image in the window. And also maybe we can create more trackbars to be understand more clearly, and this is value 2 and value 3, and all of the trackbar is gonna be located on the input window. And let's see again. Okay, on here you see all of the trackbars in different values and on the same window. After this we are showing the image, but in this case maybe we can create a while loop to be able to see the differences by changing the trackbar position, so we can check how it's changing by our new function. And also, in every time I'm pressing to the wait key, any key from my keyboard is gonna show the current values of these trackbars. And let's call our function getTrackbarPos, and after that we need to first of all give the trackbar name, which is the trackbar. We have two kind of trackbar, and one is the value, the first one, and after that the window name. The window name is gonna be input, and yeah, like that, and it's gonna give us the output. The return type is integer because creating trackbar and the value of trackbar is getting is input, we already learned. And let's write it to the console so we can see how it's working, and do the same for other trackbars, value 2 and value 3, and let's see the result. Okay, now when I press any key from my keyboard, it's gonna show all of the trackbar position 35, but if I change accordingly, it's gonna change 69, 4 and 42. So in some cases, maybe from somewhere else, you need to reach these values for your applications, and this function is gonna be useful in that case. And if you put any wrong window name, it's mostly gonna crash. Let's see. Yeah, it's crashing, it's giving error some kind of, and is specifying there is no window in this name. And in this video simply we have learned how to use this function. See you in the next videos.